Are you looking for best motorcycle stands? Motorcycle stands are essential tools for riders who perform maintenance, cleaning, or storage of their bikes. They provide stability, safety, and convenience, especially for sport bikes and motorcycles with swing arm spools. In this review, we've tested 5 popular models ranging from budget to premium options, assessing their build quality. Product 1. Extreme Max 5600 3211 Sport Bike Motorcycle Front. The Extreme Max 5600 3211 is a mid-range motorcycle stand designed for sport bikes. It features a sturdy steel construction with a black powder coat finish, offering durability and corrosion resistance. Both the front and rear stands are adjustable, fitting sport bike forks 9.5 inches to 12.5 inches wide and rear swing arm spools 10.75 inches to 13.5 inches wide. The inclusion of rubber padding ensures no scratching of delicate surfaces, while the 4 caster wheels provide smooth maneuverability. However, swing arm spools are required, but product number Motorcycle Stand Rear Combo Wheel Lift Stand. The Jack Boss Motorcycle Stand is the budget option in this lineup, priced at $54.99. Despite its affordability, it offers robust features such as a 500 pounds capacity and adjustable width for compatibility with a wide range of motorcycles. Its steel construction, with a red powder-coated finish, ensures durability and corrosion resistance. The stand includes both U-shaped and L-shaped adapters, making it versatile for different bike configurations. 4 PP caster wheels provide stability and smooth operation, while its lightweight design, 11.88 pounds, enhances portability. In terms of performance, the Jack Boss stand is product number VOR Motorcycle Stand Lift 850 pounds, front rear. The VOR Motorcycle Stand Lift is a versatile and affordable option, priced at $58.99. It boasts an impressive 850 pounds capacity, making it suitable for heavier motorcycles. Its heavy-duty steel construction features reinforced joints and triangular force points for enhanced stability. The stand includes adjustable universal fork heads, accommodating front forks from 6.5 inches to 9.5 inches and rear swing arm spools from 8.9 inches to 13.8 inches. Additional L-shaped fork heads provide even more adaptability. The inclusion of 4 3-inch PP casters ensures smooth lifting and maneuverability. Product 4. Motorcycle Stands Front Rear. The Porro Motorcycle Stand is the premium option in this lineup, priced at $99.99. It features a robust design with a weight capacity of 850 pounds, making it suitable for heavy-duty maintenance tasks. Its universal fitment is supported by adjustable adapters for front forks, 7.5 inches to 11.4 inches, and rear swing arms, 8.5 inches to 13.7 inches for U-type, 9.6 inches to 13.4 inches for L-type. Protective measures like increased friction and anti-scratch designs safeguard the bike's paintwork during use. The extended handle and non-slip wheel. Product 5. Universal Motorcycle Front. The Crosswind Universal Motorcycle Stand is a premium model priced at $97.99. It features a durable steel construction with a black powder-coated finish for corrosion resistance. With a remarkable 882 pounds capacity, it accommodates a wide range of motorcycles, including sport bikes and dirt bikes. The stand includes U and L-type adapters for rear spool and swing arm configurations, as well as adjustable front fork pins. 2 caster wheels on each stand provide smooth movement, and the simple lift mechanism ensures easy operation. The Crosswind stand is particularly